I'm saying like.
What? Oh my god.
Ryan, I don't know.
Something
Nah, I got it. I'm gonna I want to pick him up to him.
Dude, I don't know what to do, Josiah.
What the fuck?
Wrong thing here.
Bro, why you rubbing that? Bro, is that shit, bro? Oh my god.
No.
What do you mean?
Jesus, why would you put this shit in my mouth now? You just
The fuck are you doing?
What the fuck is
Why would you do that?
I didn't mean that.
What the